Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your INFINIX Hot 11S. And we'll be doing it with the help of this Guston Smart Socket. We'll plug the charger into the socket, then into the phone, and right here on this device we'll see the results. So now let's try that. So the phone just started charging, and now we need to give it about 30 seconds till all of the statistics right here stabilize. So now all of them should be stable, and let me get that closer for you. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.